Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers and my YouTube family friends who have supported me a lot and who have helped me a lot to achieve many more milestones, and we are overwhelmed with joy for your constant and continuous support. So now let's move towards our video details. Friends, in this video I am sharing a very beautiful, very creative, very wide variety of different type of DIY creative hand embroidery ideas through which every hand embroidery beginner can create creative, stylish and unique, very beautiful stuff, but a very less effort and a less amount of time with a focus attention is required. Yes friends, you have heard it right. In our today's videos we are going to get very creative, beautiful design ideas with a lot of very easy, simple and basic embroidery stitches. The main thing that is used to make these very beautiful whole embroidery patterns is thread, wool, anchor, DMC, butterfly or any type of thread company you can use. Thread is the basic thing that you need to make these embroidery patterns. And friends, I have one more request to you, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. In my channel you can get all type of creative, amazing, stylish, trendy, everyday base, very unique and stylish ideas related to women, fashion, home decor, hand art and many more creative, up-to-date, trendy fashion ideas.